Hello guys, welcome to our channel Genius Coders. So we are starting new series of C language for beginners in which you can learn some basics of languages, and by learning these basics you can understand other languages quickly. So let's start. Let's take quick introduction of C language. C language originally created by Denis Ritchie at Bell Labs in 1969 to 1973, between that, and those years he was improving his language. And actually it is this C language is used for re-implementing the Unix operating system, which is the previous version of Linux, and you may know what is Linux operating system. And at right side you can see some information of C language. Here you can see who created this language, Denis Ritchie at Bell Labs, and first appeared in 1972, where he released the C language publicly, and its version is C11. Currently we are using is C11. So let me close that. So this this is not dependent language, that is we need this particular operating system to run C language programs. It is cross platform, that is we can execute our program in any operating system, that may be Windows, you have Linux, or you have a Mac, so you can run C language program. So there here we can see file extension which we will used in C, for C programs files. And first is .c. .c extension is used for our main program, which we will create as .c extension, and we will compile and run it. So .h file is .h extension is used for header files, in which header files we will briefly learn about what is header files, but I will tell you something quick about .h. .h header files are contain some pre-built methods. We can import it from import in .c program, and we can use them. So we will learn about how to implement that and use .h file, and how to create our own .h file and import it. So I will give link in description, so you can directly go to the Wikipedia page, and you can see here there are many information about C language, and you will know more about what is C language is. Here you can see the information of versions of C language, and the syntax, and what is reserved words are used for, and we will talk about it later. So there are many operators in C language we will use, and here's some giving hello world program. And data types, what is data types, pointers, arrays, we will see in throughout series what is arrays, how to use them. So this will be a quick introduction. So how to compile and execute these C programs? There are tons of softwares available in market, like the Dev C++, Turbo C++, Code Blocks, Eclipse IDE also available. So there's Turbo C++, which mostly used and more people are used. It is handful for beginners, but we are using Code Blocks, which is a platform independent, and we can run this software in any operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac OS. And this is download page of Code Blocks. I will give you link in description. And in here you can see Windows section, Linux section. Linux section 32-bit, that is you must know which operating system is your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit, so it will be easy. And here also for Mac OS. So if your operating system is Windows, then I will recommend you go with first option, that is with setup, and it just go click on that this link. You can it will redirect to their website to download this software. It will start quickly. You can see here it is 32 MB software, and you can just download it. Just already downloaded. So in here, if your operating system is Linux, you can go through this option. Rega- uh, Regarding your distribution, Linux distribution is your Debian, uh, or CentOS, Ubuntu, or maybe Linux Mint. Or if you have Mac, just here only one link. You can just go and download this. It will be easy. So our software is downloaded. And you can see this software run as administrator. It will ask you permission. So click yes, and it will open starting window, installation wizard. So just click next. It will be like normal installation. Just click agree, and here if these options are unchecked, then you should check all these options, because it will install libraries of C and C++ languages. And if you don't check this checkbox, because if these libraries are not installing properly on your computer, so it will showing errors and problems in while running the C programs. So just check all the options and click next. It will ask you where to put your program files of code blocks. D drive. Click on install. It will install. It will take some time. Just be patient. So our software is installed, and it asked, do you want to run code blocks now? So yes, we do wanna run this code blocks now. Click yes, close this, click next, and finish. Our installation is finished, and we can see here our shortcut icon is created on desktop as it is. So this is a first window of code blocks, and here we can see the toolbar, and here start page of code blocks, which have quick access to create new project and open existing project if you have any. And it will show recent projects. I'm already created some before. So here work page, here all your program files are directed in listed listed like file directory, and we can quick access it and access it easily. So here we can see options of toolbars, where file is common, in which we can create new project or class files. Classes are in C++. So empty file, we can create also empty file or project. So there are many options we will see coding. So this is code block software, and in next video we will start coding in this software and learn some what is variable or anything. So if this video helps you, then don't forget to share. So see you in next video.